The EWI store are proud to showcase a fantastic new residential case study. This residential EWI project was completed by Tom from Sussex and Surrey Plastering Services. Our team at the Chessington branch were pleased to be able to supply Tom with all the materials necessary. The homeowner had selected a pioneering Kingspan K5 system designed by EWI Pro. K5 provides exceptional thermal comfort whilst remaining compact and space-saving. EWI 225 Premium Base Coat was the perfect adhesive to use alongside the K5 board, with its impressive bonding strength and breathability. Once mixed, you can expect a bucket life of up to 2 hours depending on the temperature. Tom, the installer, chose to apply the adhesive using a notch trowel and completely covered the back of the insulation board. This is where it's helpful to have a dual-purpose base coat adhesive on site. The same EWI 225, which was used for attaching the insulation, can also be used for the base coat layer along with EWI Pro fiberglass mesh. Once the adhesive had dried, it was important to get the mechanical fixings in place. These were pre-drilled through the brick substrate and hammered into place. This is repeated in various places across the board and in accordance with the fixing pattern provided. This was also a great time to protect the windows with ProGuard window film, which we sell at 100-meter rolls. With fixings in place, it was time to move on to installing the beading on the corners and areas prone to impact. Check out our website to see our beading range, made for thin coat render and monocouche projects. With the base coat layer dry and primed, Tom was able to begin the final decorative layer of the system, which in this case was EWI Pro's 076 Premium Biosilicone Render, with enhanced self-cleaning and resistance to organic growth. During the application, Tom used a hopper gun to distribute the render evenly across the facade and achieve an attractive finish to the property. The homeowner chose to have his silicone tinted in platinum, which looks excellent. We returned to the property a few months later, and the results speak for themselves. EWI has improved this property to no end. The visual and thermal upgrade will be enjoyed for many years to come. If you are considering having external wall insulation fitted to your property, our sales team would love to help and supply you with all the materials required. Come in, visit us in our store in Aylesbury, Chessington, Birmingham and Bradford, or visit our website at www.ewistore.co.uk.